Alright, YouTube, this will be a test. We're ready to start. Just have to see. I pumped it in the air just in case it's in gear. I don't know if this thing, how it's working, what's working, anything really. So, one thing I will do is pop this. This doesn't really matter too much. Let's see. Maybe I should put some earplugs on. You guys can't hear it, but I will. Really kind of shut. Hey, don't show you. Oh, come on. She's trying. She's getting there. Sounds like she kind of wants to start. I don't see the rear tires moving. Maybe let's put these back down. Or is this just a hair? Oh, she's trying. Really trying. Well, giving it her hardest right now. You smoking? It's not even smoking. Once let it talk, I smell smell something. Let's try it again. Oh, it's all that normal victory oil. Oh, she's gonna be angry. She's gonna be very angry, you two. Oh yeah, she's gonna be very, very angry. She's clearing out all her oil. She's staying running this time. Gotta give her some credit. Well, she's trying to. She's trying. Let's let the starter cool down. I'm not looking to fry this before starting. I don't know how to do it. She's actually not that bad. Yeah, let's give her a second to cool down. She's gonna smoke like a man should, sure. You pumping? You pumping? No? Almost. Almost. Let's see if I can open this up. Maybe a little plugs are gonna get real fouled, so I don't know, she's not gonna be running top of the line over here. I don't see any fire, but she's still going, so let's give her a shot some more. Oh, she's trying a little harder now. Alright, YouTube, we got some bad news with the Sportsman 600. Yep, unfortunately, she's got no compression. Well, I don't want to say no compression. She's got 120 pounds in one cylinder, which is still obviously not enough. And she's got a 30 pounds in the other cylinder. So, what does that mean? We are going to have to rebuild it. So, I figured what better way than to video a Sportsman 600 getting rebuilt than to video a Sportsman 600 getting rebuilt. So let's get a head on this. See what I did there? Like the cylinder head. Oh man, the dad jokes are real. So let's start getting this apart. I want to see, there's gonna be a good area. Thinking like right there. If I can keep the GoPro there. Let me see if I can position this. I want you guys to be able to get a good view of it. Yeah, this should be a little bit. It's a really hard view to get into, but hoping it suffices. So we're gonna start by draining all the fluids. Or at the very least, we're gonna start by draining the coolant, stuff like that. And let's go for it. That's it. No delaying. No delaying at all. You got the damn right, damn right.
Come on.
Everything you do.
What?
Damn right, damn right.
Come on.
So. Oh yeah. Okay. There's no cross-hatching left. And if there is any, there's not much of it. Put that back over here. Let's take a look at these gaskets too. It's a little dirty on the inside too. The antifreeze areas. Let's take a look at these. I don't know, this looks a little too clean in my opinion. I can smell the gas of it trying to start too in here. Now I could just throw piston rings on and try to go on my merry day. But I'm not in the business of trying to waste money. So, let's see if I can do this without making... There we go. Oh, that's perfect view. I should look inside here. Let's see. The crank looks pretty solid, actually. Makes me happy. Makes me a happy camper. How do these look? I'll pull one for now. If I can. My hands are slippery. How do these look? These are very good condition too. So I mean, this engine's got use, right? All of these Polaris's utility quads get use. My main thing was, how does all this look? Nothing's really sludgy. Hope you guys can see it as well as I can. In fact, here, let me let's take a look. I don't know. This almost looks like someone, unless they really held up that good. This looks like someone put new pistons in it, but I don't know. These rings do look a little worn. Now that I'm looking at them a little deeper. These piston rings are labeled first, second, third. Wow, they're all actually labeled. Good on you, Polaris. I like that. I like that they did that. Is there any numbers on this? So, regardless, right? We're gonna have to do something about this. I'm thinking I'm just gonna do an entire brand new upend rebuild on this because I want it to run good, you know, long term. And if I decide to keep this for a minute, you know, I want everything to work on it, and everything else is solid. You know, all the connections are solid. You know, it doesn't really need much. Rebuild the top end, maybe a new key start because that one gets a little sticky. I don't know why. Not quite a fan of it. And a new speedometer, you know, just so we can accurately record all the miles we go with this. And it's like a new quad to me, in my opinion. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. Am I crazy? We could take the risk and just throw some rings on it. But, you know, by the time you put all the effort in, is it worth it? Now, my bank account might be screaming at me just for even thinking about that. But I'm being honest here. Tell you what, though, it must have been smoking a lot because this oil ring here, this bottom ring, it's almost all the way compressed, which means she was definitely at the end of her life with that. Yeah. Definitely at the end of her life here. Now, like I said, we could get this honed out. We could just throw some stock pistons on it. Or just rings. We can just do rings. Bare bone basic. Let's get her going. Or we could do a full rebuild. I want to know what you guys think. I know this is going to be a pretty long video. I don't know when this is going to get uploaded. Probably February, with how delayed I am with my videos. But what do you guys think? I'm going to dig more into it. Let's keep taking a look.